Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to back up Telegram chat. So this is a very easy tutorial. First you have to launch your Telegram application, go to settings, scroll down, and tap data and storage. Now once you tap this, you just had to simply turn on all these buttons here. It says automatic media download when using mobile data, turn this one on. When connected to Wi-Fi, turn this one on. When roaming, also save to gallery, turn this one on. Private chats, groups, channels, and other things here. So it only means that if you turn this on, all the files from your gallery, from your private chats, from your groups, from your channels will be automatically saved, download. So it's already saved on your device and to your file folder or file manager. Okay, so even if you open this to your other phone, you can still open and see these files. Now, if you go to data storage, if you tap this one, you will have the option if you want to save these files or if you want to delete this after a week, after a month. Okay, if you think that it will cause something, conflict, logs, or problems to your device, you will have the option to delete this one. Okay, so as you can see, we have here auto remove cached media. If you tap this to 1 day or 1 week, 1 month, or if you tap this to never, then these files will remain to your gallery or to your backup chats. Okay, so that's it. You just have to go to your data and storage and then turn everything on there. And in that way, even if you open your Telegram to your other device, you can still see these files here. So that's how easy it is to back up Telegram chat. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.